Hey guys, it's me. Last time I tried to make this video, my iPod camera died on me. And yeah, so let's try this again. And I was actually missing this pair of earrings for a long time. Finally found them. Okay, so that worked out pretty good. And then I'll just be dressing up all my puppies. So, let's begin. So first, I think I'll be doing Sage. Okay. So, you know what? She's going to wear these earrings. But I don't know exactly what necklace yet. She can wear this one is always in my way. Be right back. Let's see. Okay. Got it. Okay. I'm going to put this around her head. Okay. There's that. That's on. Okay. And now the hoop earrings. Let's see. Her holes are... Oh, great. Okay. Be right back. Sorry, guys. Should have put the earrings in beforehand. Okay. Got one in. Now I'll be right back with the other. Okay, got the other one in. So here she is. I'll decide on bows last. I don't really know about bows. So she has the double sparkly earrings and the red piece necklace. Okay, now I'll do... I wonder for Jackie. Jackie, where are you? How much do you bet she's in the bathroom? I bet she is. She is. This way in here. Okay. So, I knew what you wear. So, she's gonna wear this cool thing. Here. Oh. It's kind of hard to get on with one hand. Should have grabbed my tripod. Okay, sorry. Okay. There it is. And once I get her earrings, then I'm going to be making part 2. Because it's going to get so long, and then I'm just going to be like... Oh yeah, and her earring broke yesterday when my friend was over. Okay, got one earring in. Oh, crap. Okay. Now I'm just on the second one, getting the back on. Not the expert at getting earrings on. I'm good at hoop earrings, but not really any others. Okay. There it is. She's all dressed. Yeah. I might add a bow later on her. So yeah. Come back to watch part 2.